In early October, I planted pansies. They had blooms on them, but have not bloomed since. What happened? And this is Carol from Memphis. What happened, I wonder? It had blooms.
It had blooms.
That's not blooming.
I don't know.
What happened?
I think they probably put their energy into getting their roots established. If they still look healthy and they're not blooming.
Right.
Maybe they put them where there isn't enough sunlight.
Maybe it would help to have a picture of that so
That's
we can
true.
see that.
I mean, it's hard to kind of tell.
Yeah.
I'm kind of with Carol in the sense that maybe it was trying to do something else.
Right.
Spend all its energy trying to, adapt for maybe getting more roots, and so more leaves.
Okay.
And sometimes, plants will shift depending upon if they're receiving a lot of fertilizer, let's say a lot of nitrogen.
Right.
True.
They could put out more leaves than they are flowers.
Right.
So
True.
depending upon how they're being treated.
Okay. What kind of fertilizer should one use when you're trying to grow pansies or some of your cool season?
I would
plants?
probably use a complete fertilizer in that situation. I do feel like they're still going to grow a little bit through fall and could use the nitrogen.
Okay.
And of course the P and K will help promote bloom formation
Yeah,
a
the
little
P and
bit.
K is
Right.
primarily for flowering, so that would help out tremendously.
But I always tell people I'd rather under fertilize than over.
Under.
Yes.
then
Yes, light, because like you said, too much fertilizer actually decreases bloom.
Right.
Too much nitrogen.
Too much
Right, for
nitrogen, it's going to just start growing leaves more than anything else.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.